Come to this side. Come to this side.
Jamaica, stop!
Come to this side.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Not even know Spanish.
Hi, it's Who is Freckles or Singular Freckles. I pop my balloon because I like intelligent men, and he's not.
I don't take up nothing where top bank's chop. Your top bank's X, your top bank's trash.
Rolly, I don't like the slippers. I don't like her too. Her toe don't look ugly. I don't know like.
Why you pop your balloon?
Rolly, I'm going to tell you something. You see me? Me's a serious, progressive, ambitious woman. Me can't bother boy, I'll be a clothes. You're crazy, Rolly. Me a mad girl. Boy, boy, go Singapore and Thailand and Zimbabwe and them the place there. One boy say them I'll be a go eat frog and lizard back and them things there.
Jamaica, stop!
This side, come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Security. You got to go. No, you can't look saying I'm in presence, darling.
Now, what's a red flag when it comes down to a female? What you don't like?
Somebody ain't get a white party front to you, you know that. Remember, we a man we love you with tongue in us, so. Girl, them have to clean.
Novo Pandora.
It's a baller! Yo, I didn't expect the balloon to find love TikTokers already. Yo, oh God, I love the energy. People on a ball and cry so they want a part 2, you see it? Yeah, wanna get the part 2. You know how expensive the video be? You think a boy for do this? It's TikTokers versus TikTokers, alright? Females, it's simple and easy. When a male walk out and you don't like him, what do you do? Wow. And if you like him, what you do? Oh my gosh. How much likes that video forget though? Can we get 10? Yo, can we get our first 100,000 likes? Can we get our first 100,000 likes? Just click the like button, you see it? Big up my team. Big up everybody who come out. Me appreciate you know. You see it? Got in there like all the time chips. Banana chip. So people, yo, me not lie. It's cold in here, is it? You can see everybody come out. I want to rate the lineup from 1 to 10. Remember, females, them come out, them look nice and all is so we want a formal edition. So big up the TikTokers, you see it? Big up my main sponsor today, Motor Source. If you buy the first car, Motor Source. If you buy a second car, Motor Source. If you want borrow your friend car, go Motor Source. You see me? Link them up, the man, everything up on the screen. You don't know the thing go. And if you want any phone, iPhone 17, iPhone 11, anything, any brand new tech, one link, mobile. Big up chill youth, you see it? Mad. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Banana chip. You ready for the first meal? Yo, God no. People make okay, yo, make sure to leave a like. We are bringing the first meal, is it? Come to this side. Come to this side.
Up to the time, you don't know your money at all, boss.
Him not even introduce himself. All right, introduce yourself.
Up to the time, you don't know your money at all, boss.
Wait now. Introduce yourself.
Up to the time, you don't know your money at all, boss.
Okay, all right. What type of work do you do, Money Adal?
You don't know me's an entertainer, me's a TikToker.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right then. And what's your hobby though? What type of hobby you like for do?
Like what type of job me like for do?
No, hobbies. Apart from being a TikToker, what type of fun thing?
Me like to do movie.
Movies.
Yeah.
So you're an actor.
Yeah.
All right. And what's your type when it comes down to a female?
You know, the female them will know what they want in their life. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right then. All right then.
Me not mean the confused female them. Whoa. Yeah, all of them are female ain't confused, but let's hear their opinion.
All right. And what's like a perfect first date you'd bring a girl on?
You know, somewhere, all right, you see my date them,
Mm-hmm.
go with my energy.
Yeah.
So if them energy connectable,
Mm-hmm.
me give them a connect date. You see me like, I go with nothing fussy for first time.
Yeah.
But to that carry them go over for first time, and then in a night we just have a look of freeze.
So River Flex.
And then look at dinner date.
Oh my, that's so nice. That's so nice.
Yeah, man.
All right then. Yo, shout out your social.
Money at the boss on all platforms.
All right.
I want to know if you just follow my page on YouTube, follow my page on TikTok, and support me ASAP.
But all right then. We got some pop. You can find out why them pop the balloon.
You not got some pop, you got all pop.
Correct. So which side you want to start with first though?
You know, so we are go.
All right, let's start right here. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm the Milky One JA, the Milky One JA on all platforms. You know me, Milk.
Why you pop your balloon?
I like my men a little bit taller. I want to climb up on my man. And not wrong with him, but him a little bit too short for my taste.
Okay, just him height.
Yeah, his height.
All right, based on him appearance though, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
4.5. I think that he should have dressed up for this occasion.
Team dressing.
It's just a little bit too casual.
Or too casual?
Yes, too casual for the occasion.
All right. Money Adal, what you think about what she said?
Yeah. Bigger man thing. You're saying my dress code.
It's a bit too casual.
Right now, when I say your dress code look like a full body. You see me? You have too much feather.
Okay. If feathers are not your preference, I'm okay with that.
And I'm gonna give 3.
Okay.
All right then. Good?
Yes, I'm very good with it.
Thank you.
This side, my G. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Z Daily. My social is Z Daily as well. I pop my balloon because I've been a bad girl and I need a bad boy. He's not a bad boy.
Oh, so if he was a bad boy, you would have keep your balloon?
Yeah.
Okay. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Well, he's not a bad boy. Well, can I ask him a question?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to jail before?
Why?
It's a yes or a no, sir.
No.
I like men that has been to jail. They're rough.
Okay, like prison body.
Yes.
Me not love man, so me not gonna lock up with man.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I would give him, he can get a 7. He's a good guy differently. I like his music. He's very talented.
All right. Money Adal, what you think about she, based on her appearance also?
A problem lady. Some would I rate her 7.
7.
Yeah. That is it.
Okay. All right. This side. Social, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, it's Who is Freckles or Singular Freckles. I pop my balloon because I like intelligent men, and he's not.
Oh, you find out, like you ask him a question and know that?
No, I know him. He knows me.
Oh, he knows you.
Yes.
Okay. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I think he tried because it makes it worse. So I would give him 5. He just needs some socks.
5 out of 10?
Yes.
Is he your type?
No.
Okay. Money Adal, what you think about what she said? And
Yo, Freckles. I don't take up nothing with top bank's job. Your top bank's ex. Your top bank's trash. You see me? Me need glad to say about it, because guess what? You're not my traffic. You're just my ex-machine. My trash. When me shoot a door. Excuse me.
Do we have
I'm gonna give you 3. Thank you. Next, please.
Do we have a translator for him? I didn't understand what he said.
oh, okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
The real Milky. Pop my balloon because I just feel like go work. You know? Yeah, that's it.
Okay. And how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
10, 10, him come out clean, him alright. Him always clean, always. 10.
Is he your type?
No, him too short. And him have one girlfriend, so I don't know what I do yes, so.
You have a girlfriend, bro? You have a girlfriend, bro?
You're asking a question or you're going to go into life story. That,
Okay, bro. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 now? What do you think about what she said?
you know, so right now, me I gotta give Milky some plate clot like figure in yard. Why you love? Why you love? Why you love the way me dey? You know, say, I'm alkaline you choose. Mama, when you do pump up the balloon, you want see alkaline pump up the balloon. But Milky, me I give you outfit. A 9. Why? Because man, you should wear a look at heels, go with the shoes. Heels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I need that look decent.
Is she a type though?
Marita, I'm a Jeep on TikTok, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah. We now go back over this.
Alright, let's go. Inside. Your name social, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Kiki. My social is Mama Rich. Reason why I like my men masculine. The bead, no, that's too feminine.
You not like him bead?
No, that's too feminine.
Oh, so if him take out the bead, you don't like him?
Yeah, masculine. You look like a little girl.
So much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
4.
Alright. Money Idol, would you take out your bead for her? For like be more, I should say, masculine?
No, because I feel comfortable.
Okay.
Me not go climb up the mountain to get Kiki, because I know Kiki. You see me? Rosalie X, you might run down. Who? You here? Okay.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
How much you give me again?
4.
I give you just 1.
Okay, no problem.
1
Yeah.
out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Your name social, why you pop your balloon?
I'm Makil official, my socials are Makil official, right across the board. I put my balloon because him look dance and him act dance and him man my type. Me not like how him dress, me not like him, me just don't like him physical appearance. Look at his shoes. It's giving cheap ass. Me like my man them, you know them. Him can't give me house care and land. What can he do for me? I doesn't like him, I give him a 1.
What one team shoes like him have on a keep on him chin?
No, that's a cheap ass shoes. I mean, him, you know what I mean? Yeah. Him outfit alone, I give me yard clothes. Like, you know, when I go down a town, go buy your groceries, I'm outfit. That's what his outfit is giving me.
Why?
Yeah. Him outfit, I give me a downtown market session.
Whoa.
Yeah. A half the year down a town on a Wednesday. That's what he's giving.
Whoa.
Yeah. In man of my time, my love.
Whoa.
And him no, you know, him
Whoa.
just, you're not. It's.
Me can buy a suit and left back lunch money. in
Are
your
we
pocket
talking
and
about a rental right
I
here?
don't deal with rental.
Show me a title, then we can speak.
Mama.
Show me a
Me care
title.
title, you know, me
Show
care.
me a title. How about paying off the loan? Even
Darling, Mama.
darling, you're not
I'm
my
reachable.
type. I shall pass you. Please to walk with me.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
You know what you rate me, Jessica?
1. She said 1.
All right. You know how much me I rate her? Just circle, circle,
The fact that
circle,
you got to
circle.
think about it, I'm
I
a
don't have
plus.
to think about it because your clothes are squeezed. Your mama take off your
Hello,
sister clothes.
darling. This is Hello,
Excuse
baby.
me.
This is Hello.
Your name social, why you pop your balloon?
Bad girl danger, social, bad girl danger everywhere. When I pop the balloon, I don't like him talk. I don't like him hairstyle. And him vibes that throw me off.
Him vibes?
Yeah, him a trust with everybody. You see him trust with everybody come up the line. And the same thing man will do me.
What you think about, is he a type though?
No. Too ugly. Too ugly and I don't like how he talk.
Oh. Like, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him a 0. 0 up on the dashboard.
Alright, Money Idol, what do you think about what she said and how much would you rate her?
Okay. First thing, Mama. First thing, you look like You look like your age even show before your age born.
Much.
Because guess what? You look like an old refrigerator.
What?
Yeah.
Me look like much. Yeah,
You look like 111.
Oh.
Yeah. And first thing first, me not like no woman who wear boy jeans. Cause them there's something they out of style, mama.
But yeah, no, my man, I'm not like you, so you can't take
Thank
me
you.
for real.
Yeah, you know what you're gonna get?
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
Ashes.
Don't get that already.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
For your advice, you know, sir, Anna. My social is Oh My Word Boss on every platform. So the reason why I put the balloon is it just roll out, it not go work. it not go work, it can't go work. Cause I get a lot of people compare me a lot with him.
Really?
Comment section, P Idol Boss, my glad my channel. No disrespect, I'm glad my finally get to know him. But to me, no disrespect, you know, and nothing wrong with him, you know. But him this bubbling, this big word make I use roller. Him this bubbling, him confused. Yeah, this bumbleated. Him gonna confuse me in a relationship.
What you mean, like?
Like him gonna confuse me in a relationship roller. Like I'm not gonna know like what him really say because him take too long to come across the message. Him just go around the bushes and no disrespect, him chase me. I'm look roller him chaseable.
Oh.
Him like a mama that she. As you can see, come straight down, him just chase everybody.
So basically, they must say Tona, like compare, like is it sister, like?
Yeah.
Oh, so they must say Tona, brother and sister?
Yeah, it not gonna work. I'm in a family. I'm not do the incest thing, so it not gonna work.
How much do you rate him from 1 to 10?
Him not look 3 bad still. That's when him way to cut up jeans, if I ball for flesh, you full up them part. You understand? Him have a little drumstick tie, so it not really. But him no, I want him socks. Him want bring down watch down here so, and him not look 3 bad.
How much should I rate him?
5.
I'm not a chicken, so I can't have flesh down here. So.
Okay. How much should you rate her, Money Idol? And what do you think about what she said?
Would I give her like a 7?
7 out of 10?
Yeah. Why?
Yeah. Why?
Why 7? Why 7? Because she really do this take care of thing to her sister. And I love that. You know, so she always look out for her sister.
Oh yeah, watch me.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
screen recorders.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Yeah, but that's why
But-
don't funny man.
But listen, man.
Yeah.
Listen, man. You know why I'm the date her? Because she don't know what she want in her life. She have her goal, you know, but it's like she fi score her goal. She has said that too easy to score. She depend that too easy to score. But before she score her goal.
What you mean? What you mean?
All right.
I don't know.
Then if she score her goal, you see me?
Yeah.
And she not see no goalkeeper. She say, she wait till the goalkeeper come. No, score your goal, mama. And
Oh.
stop it. Now you don't have to wait for a goalkeeper.
You see me talk about roll out I don't understand. I understand what I'm saying now.
You understand?
I don't know which goal thing. You might try to understand. No, man.
Okay. All right. There.
You might be
Okay.
telling myself.
But yeah, what?
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
As I said,
Yeah.
7.
7. All right.
I'm not
then.
take you
All right.
back.
All
What
right.
I feel like.
All right. I'll come to this side. Whoa. All right. So all of the females and pop them balloon. Them can't walk with grace. You have to walk with grace. All right.
No, they want to walk with grace. And
No.
you talk to me.
No, you have to walk with grace. Yeah. What? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, so people, watch out now. We have a bad sponsor, a new sponsor. Big up Ice for us. Anytime you want ice, link to you. If I could at 3 o'clock in the morning and you want some party ice, link to you. Them have the £100 any pound of ice. You see me? Ice a sell people. You don't know the thing go right. Everything up on screen, link to you. Restaurant, kitchen, to you. Man, females, you ready? Don't sleep on me now. Let's go. Females, are you ready? Yeah! All right then. All right, man. Let's bring in the next male, all right? Come to this side. Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
My name
Use the
My
mic.
name is Senses. As I mean, TikTok streamer.
Ima talk. Use the mic, yeah?
That good, man.
All right. Continue.
Yeah, TikTok streamer and a owner. The two business bar and a shop, so entrepreneur as well.
Businessman.
Yeah.
Code.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. When it comes down to like a hobby though, what's your hobby?
Having fun, streaming.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Like that. All right then. Females, what's your type?
Ambitious female.
Yeah.
Female that respect make them and know say what them are the man is it.
Okay.
And,
Oh,
and
say.
respect.
Oh, so you like a girl where allow them man for be in charge?
Yeah.
What's a perfect first date for you? For bring a girl pan?
Triple century. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, but all right. Just shout out your social.
For all platforms, senseless, you can find me this one.
All right then. We got some pop. We can find out why them pop the balloon. I'll start with this side there, yeah?
No problem.
Come on. Let's go. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My advice is that, oh my word, boss attack here, aka Anna. I'm gonna put the balloon roller in this in too maga for me. Like you want some caramel parade and lamp pile, but like my man them look of flesh. Nothing really wrong with him still, but I just like my man with flesh. I'm like when I grab my man, I have some flesh me I will lamp on, you understand? But otherwise from that, that's it.
Oh, you say you want some lamp aisle?
Yeah, lamp aisle and caramel porridge roller.
Jaja.
I drink some last cup, put on some weight, you understand? Okay. So that's that. I'm not really seeing on the else. But that's why my man them look flesh.
All right. What do you think about what she say?
As I can see, there is a age difference, so I don't really my type, as I say. And nothing really wrong with her, as I say. What she like, how me like. But the age group, you can't see it half, so no make no sense.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Since I do that black and white thing, so I give him a 5. I give him a 5. Yeah.
All right then. But how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
No ratings, not dead.
Well, let me take back it. I take it back. So negative.
Okay. All right. Why pop your balloon? Your name?
Me, Bad Girl Danger, any social, Bad Girl Danger, BADGYOL, Bad Girl Danger. I put the balloon, I like when just a cha-cha, so. Yeah, eat bubble gum, lift that to me, baby. Turn me up there, so. I mean, if you trap my mouth, just that alone turn me. I mean, I'm not against him.
Oh, so you hear the bubble gum from down there, sir?
From weird down there, so. And you do it extra, see me? And that.
All right, how much you do rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him 8 out of 10.
Oh, so I really the gum?
I just the gum. Turn me out.
Is he your type though?
I'm like them brown, you know. I'm like them brown.
So is your type? Okay. What do you think about what she said and how much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
She fit mad, man, I give her a 9. I'm like her attitude. She don't to earth, as I say. Bad girl danger, body. Yeah.
So.
How much you do rate her though? 9?
9.
9. Is she a type though?
No, but I give her a 9.
Thanks, me work with it.
Yeah.
This is Maggie. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Mackerel official, one mackerel across the board and the things there. But balloon because him too black and ugly for me, that's a number 1. Number 2, it doesn't fit my criteria. You understand me? But like my man them when them I know them boy need to eat some food. Them boy look like them a sufferer. Them boy not my type. I give them boy a pure 0 with all 0 back head. Not my type. Not my type. Him could make me wet, Rolly. Me not tell a lie.
But you're not even try.
Rolly could make me wet. When me looking at him, I say, baby, me love it. You're crazy.
First of all, you cannot look at nobody because you're
ugly, you're ugly.
Girl, God is who? God is who? God is who? God is who?
What you think
Zuma, Makil, come get him, please.
What you think about what she said?
Brother, no ratings are there, sir, brother. This is not. Come on, next option already. This is not. You ever search Google and see no result? Cannot be found. Moving on.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Kiki. Mama rich on TikTok. I'm a co-worker. My name Candy. It go with the same place. You can't go work. I go flirt have different man and I go have woman and them things. It don't go work.
So you tell me say you can't have a husband at work?
No. Go create problem.
Alright. What you think about his outfit though? How much you do?
10. Yeah.
10?
Yeah.
Alright, so if he never worked like two and a co-worker, would it have been your type?
Yes. You have money and you have business. Looks not do nothing nowadays, because the cute man them broke and the ugly man them have money. So me not look for looks as long as you have the money for give me.
So which one him falling now?
Having the money. Mm-hmm.
I see what it is. Alright, my G. What do you think about what she said? Would you give up TikTok just for make sure no say, you know?
No, I'm not gonna give up making money for nobody, but she fine, you know. And I skill I want to tell me give her 10 years because she put together and she put together. She put together.
Is she a type?
Nah. But she put together.
Alright then, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
The Real Milky on Instagram and TikTok. Everywhere, The Real Milky. Senses are nice, dark skin youth, cool, humble. I'm popping balloon because, I'm a little friend, I don't see him so, Yeah.
Oh, because of your friend. Your friends on him?
Little friend, yeah, friend zone.
Okay. How much you do rate it from 1 to 10?
10. Mm-hmm.
What do you think about what she say?
Milky, I'm a G. As I say, she say, I'm a G, and I go, we are friends, so. She don't pray me, so I'm in a prayer, so I know I'm all pray.
Hey.
Much like ish.
Oh, God, man, fabulous. You know, see that early? Now I have a cheat chatty. 10.
10?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. This side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Milk. If you want to find me on social media, just type in Milk and look for the cute face.
Okay. Why you pop your balloon?
I pop my balloon because he's a little bit too young for me. That's the only reason. He's an entrepreneur. He's ambitious. He's dark chocolates, but just not my speed.
Because of his age?
Yeah, the age.
So you have never dated younger?
I'm off a frequency, and when he was standing here, my frequency never turned up to 10. You understand?
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right, then. What do you think about what she said?
Well, nothing wrong with this. As I say, the age difference, so it's cool. Nothing wrong.
Is she a type though?
Nah.
All right, how much you do rate her though?
I would give her a solid 8.
Thank you.
Yeah? All right, then. So the females without a balloon, walk with Grace Woman, please. All right, so we have 2 females right here. What I want you to do, I'm going to ask them their names, and you're going to just ask them each question. Is he just forget to know them, all right?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Your name?
Z Daily. My name is Z Daily on all social media platforms.
All right. What's her question?
What you do for fun?
I like being spanked.
I fine. Fine.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to come back.
Okay.
Yeah. Your name?
Who is Freckles or singular Freckles?
All right. What's her question? Freckles' question?
What do you look for in a man?
Money.
All right, no problem.
And ambition. I'm ambition.
No problem.
All right, so we're going to switch it around right now. You're going to get to ask him a question.
Describe your perfect girl to me.
Perfect. No, girl, not really perfect still.
Your perfect girl.
But my perfect girl is like girl that ambitious, hardworking, and shows respect towards her man. You see? That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why? What?
Mr. Banner own way and him a go want control me when he say respect. Sometimes I face it. You know? I'm a dad though.
Oh, it could have worked.
No, he might beat me.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
All right then. So what's the reason why you pop your balloon?
I'm stubborn. So as much as I'm not disrespectful, sometimes it will come across as I'm not following orders. You know?
Oh, so you want somebody to put up with that?
Yeah.
You could have done that?
Yeah, I could have done that, but she don't pop her balloon in Z, so you know it go.
And since there's no same young. But
That's
I like
true.
the fact that I'm ambitious and I'm getting money up. So that's why I'm really keep my balloon.
How much you do rate him from 1 to 10 though?
9 because I'm not having no socks. My cousin you never show me the socks.
No, when you say about yes, I'm show you.
9.
But, no problem, no problem. No, we work with the 9. There's room for improvement. We work with the 9. We work with the 9.
Is he your type though?
Well, his personality, yes, because he's very nice and charming and respectful, and I do like that. And he look like him with a man woman if him they have the money. But like the fact that you can't look on him and you can't guess if him a woman or a man because the Adam apple just out here. So I love that. I love man where you can say definitely man because I'm strictly dickly, you know.
Billy.
Yeah. The only him know him kind of young and him height perfect. Him just need a little bit more meat and I can fat him up.
Yeah, that.
But him just him just young. Him know him young.
All right then. What do you think about what she said? How much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
Oh God, man, she broke the scale, my father, man. You hear that straight thing, you hear that put together. You see the ear there, well, it's down on the face there? Oh God, man, imagine waking up to that. Believe,
Whoa.
man.
Come on.
Thank you.
All right then, man. Come down to this side. All right. First of all, I have to ask you, why you kept your balloon all along though?
I kept my balloon because he said that the first date he would carry us to Triple Century. Triple Century is a store, right?
No.
Oh, sorry, wrong place. But I kept my balloon for long until I popped it because I didn't like the way I was smiling at her. So I felt some kind of way. But I felt as though it was a guy because I'm the kind of girl, I like to work and take care of my man. I don't like when I like to work. So I had plans to take care of me and him. But then I see him smiling with her. And I don't want me and her a problem because she's my co-worker. So I get angry.
No cry. Stop all of that. No cry.
Stop! You're a bad boy.
Basically, I say you get jealous
Yeah.
and you pop your
You
balloon.
almost grab her.
Security, stand by. Okay, all right. So, is he your type though?
All men are my type. I'm a bad girl.
Okay, all right. How much you do rate him from 1 to 10?
There's nothing wrong with him. And the girl that said he's ugly, you're lying. I give him a 10 and a half.
10 and a half?
Broke the scale, you hear that?
Yeah. All right then. How much did you rate her and what you think about what she say?
Based on her creativity, I'm going to give her 10 and she's not afraid to be herself. I like that about her. So I'm going to give her 10, you see me? And she's brave.
Thank
so
you.
I'm like that.
Like a brave girl?
Yeah.
All right then. And I don't know, like you feel like it would have happened if she didn't have her balloon?
Yeah, cause it's what my mother like, you see it, and she brave and I'm brave, so you know it go. Yeah.
Stop that.
Sorry.
All right. So watch this how much today? Walk with girl, someone please.
All right, big go.
No, you send
you go. Sorry about that.
Them go on. Yeah. Sense first. Jano, I think you did have it in the bag.
So I feel it about you know it go. So it go.
All right, my G. Wasn't that much today? You know what you have to do? Walk with grace, yeah?
Bad.
Man. Bro, that was so close, bro. Live.
Yeah,
Almost had it, you know?
a bit.
Wait. Please like it. Now. Thank you. Alright, so people, remember I'm telling you, all small business owners, connect me. Let's get this bag, alright? Remember, we have a phone tech on the line right now. If you want an iPhone, any tech wear, iPhone 17 or buzz right now. One link, mobile, is it? One link, big up yourself. Ask for Chill Youth. Very reliable. Call him and you get your phone today. Is it? Females, let's get this. Let's get it. It's getting hot in here. So hot. Yeah. All right, then. Well, let's bring in the next meal. All right, let's go. Come to this side.
Commercial break.
Today's sponsor is Motorsource. Motorsource have the cheapest car. Are you tired of walking? You, come here. Yes, you, come to this side. Are you tired of walking?
Long time.
Are you tired of walking? Motorsource. Come along. You look like a Subaru man. Are you a Subaru man?
No.
Oh, come on, man. It's cheap. Go in there. Check it out. Check it out. Clean interior. Clean, crispy. How it feel?
Good.
Are you a Subaru guy?
Not really.
Oh, we have Honda. We have Honda. Huh? You like this?
It's cheap.
This is very cheap. Once Motorsource is involved, very cheap. How does it feel?
Yeah.
Motorsource have the cheapest car. All right? Your first car should be at Motorsource because we have the cheapest car. All right? You need it today? We're going to give you today. This is your car. All right? Cash or card?
No, cash, man. I use card.
No problem. And this is your car.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that. Pose for the camera. And there you have it. Motorsource have the best and the cheapest car. If I'm lying, I'm
One Motorsource here. Cheapest place to buy a car. Believe me.
wait there. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. This side, come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Lando make it happen, Lando D Major, Prince of Jamaica.
Okay, all right. What type of work do you do, Prince?
Make money.
Cool, mad. All right. And what's a hobby though? What's one of your hobby those? Live, that sound good. And what's your type? When it comes down to a female, what's your type?
Type. Alive.
Oh, they have to be alive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so that was
So that mean no
coordinated attack.
What? Why? Okay. Him same life woman were alive. So if you pop, that mean you're dead?
Okay.
Okay. All right, my G. What's a perfect first date for you? Like, where you bring a girl for a first date?
Like, if you carry them, go wash the horses or ride the horses or something like that.
Oh, so you bring them out being at the castle and...
Yes.
Okay, ride the horses.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Not bad. All right, mama know, like, what's a red flag for you when it comes down to a female?
Red flag.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
Use the mic.
Oh, security there?
Yes.
Security? You got to go. No, you can't look saying I'm in presence, darling. You got to go, Kiki.
So that's a red flag?
Yes.
Okay. All right, show to the social.
Oh, they already know.
Okay. All right, by one Prince.
I joke. I promote myself. Lando D Major. Lando make it happen on TikTok.
All right, follow him. So we got some pups. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Start right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Freckles, who is Freckles on all socials. He didn't have like an exact answer. Everything was just up in the air, and I like my men organized.
Everything was up in the air?
Yeah, like him just I go with the flow
Oh, so there was a flow.
of nothing.
Royalty has no standards, darling.
Okay.
How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Like his fit though. I'd give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yes.
Is he your type though?
No. He's too young.
You know my age?
I can see.
But I respect that. I'm not gonna be everybody's destiny.
Sure.
Okay. What do you think about? What do you think about her?
She's nice. Yeah.
How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Rate her from 1 to 10.
It's a rose for me.
Oh, I got.
Goodness. The
It's a
black
glitch.
blush kit
It's a
explode.
glitch. Thank you, sir.
Where's my balloon, man?
Could she get a chance to live in the palace?
Probably when I make sure walk the dogs.
Not the horse.
Not the horse.
Okay,
Not
good.
the horse.
Okay.
She's nice though. She can pour with.
Okay.
At night time.
Okay, all right. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
The real Milky. I'm popping balloon because he sound like him not know what he want. Like him not sure. So yeah.
Okay. Is your type though?
Maybe out of the fit.
Oh, so you don't like the fit?
And I may look for
Oh, so what are you looking for?
better suit. I'm alright, huh? Yeah.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10 though?
And I fit.
Yeah, overall, like, all.
I'm alright. 7. And I fit probably out of fit. He have a nice body, so probably out of fit 10.
Oh, so you peeping body, you say him have a nice body?
Yeah, picture and body out of fit, you know?
So, oh, you gonna do that?
Me do it already. No, me picture it already.
Oh, yeah.
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 Mhm.
Okay. What do you think about what she said? She picture you,
Yeah, I prefer overdress than underdeveloped, you know? Yeah.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Yeah, they are show me too.
Yeah. Can take a good look.
History.
History?
History.
Oh, yeah.
Move
Oh,
on. Next.
you're making history.
Next.
Yeah, that? Right? Okay. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kiki. At this age, I can't deal with nobody, man. I am a man. I can't deal with nobody, man. My old man if sleep with and snap, so I can't go bother with it. Crosses problem. Yeah. So I don't know nobody, man. Me a big man.
You have a queen already?
Yeah. Queen.
I'm a co-worker too.
Queen in Africa, you know?
Oh, queen in Africa. African queen.
Yeah, me just there to process some application, you know what I mean?
Oh, like
So
get them
you know, pop your
in
man,
the palace.
That's why I love man.
Okay. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
No. I'm young and so I don't know if you say.
Oh, you know-
I like old man.
Okay, all right. How much would I rate her from 1 to 10?
Kiki.
How much should I rate her? Yeah, how much should you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her a 5.
Good?
Alright, yeah.
Good? All right.
-5.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Mackerel official one, mackerel cross the board. But balloon because I'm a best friend man. I'm a can't fuck my best friend man. I'm all loyal to my best friend. So you see, when the boy feeble and want some parry, the fact is I'm a best friend man. 10 out of 10 I would recommend.
Oh, so you're not gonna feed your best friend, man.
No, man, I go my best friend man. I'm a best friend man.
Okay. All right. So how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
10 out of 10 I would recommend.
So she's the best friend of your.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we shall pass, right?
How much would you rate her though?
We can be critical. 10 across the board.
Okay, okay. Recommend, you will recommend.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, one best friend in land, the things them.
All right, come down to this side.
What me I do, yeah? Just there for the vibes.
Focus.
Yeah.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Bad girl danger across the board. Why am I pop the balloon as what Mackerel say? We know the thing, you see it. So we not go and stretch it out and long it out. Is him? Give the boss a 9.
All right, then. Is he a type?
Yeah, mama type. But you know we're married, hang on.
Yeah.
Too foul.
Oh, so forget him, I want 2 foal and 2 cow?
More 10 cow like everybody else.
Okay. It's action. Okay. What do you think about what she said, though?
Yeah, man, I have to respect that, you know? But you know, distance and really the real problem, you know? We fear disloyalty.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
What may I say?
she could have come off as disloyal?
No, man.
Okay.
She could have come up as many things, though.
Anytime I come up, anytime Emma flip up, remember bad girl Deja there, wait in our place.
Oh, so you're saying as a reserve? Oh.
Yeah. I remember we know them occupy.
Okay. She's sending in her application. Come to the
application pending.
Okay. Come to no, this is side my G. All right then. So the females then without a balloon? Oh, she just pop her balloon. My boss, we never say. You just pop your balloon. All right, but you have to tell me why you kept it all along.
I kept it all along because I wanted Lando to get deep. I wanted to see another side of Lando, but he was just giving 2-word answers. And so since he's not going to show his real personality, I popped my balloon.
Okay.
I was willing to, even though I hear him have a girlfriend, I was willing to I still wanted to hear more, you understand? I like how he came out in the Bridgerton. It's Bridgerton season and he's Bridgerton dressed, you know, very apt to the season. But I just wanted to hear more from him.
Okay.
That's it.
All right then. Oh. Okay. All right then. We never like we did for Axa if shit, but all right, cool. Yeah, cool. All right, so you got 2 female right now. I'm gonna ask them their names. You gotta ask them. Okay.
Let's see that for a second, you know?
Oh.
Alright, still
Good?
legendary. Still legendary.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna ask them their names, and you're gonna ask them each question that we'll find out if them of chemistry be all right.
Alright.
Good. Your name?
Z Daily.
Z.
Okay.
What's her question?
Alright, Z. You have 1 question. You have 1 chance.
Okay.
Alright. What was the name of the sperm that almost got the egg before I got it? Yes, in the race construction. Yeah. What else sperm the name? The one who beat to the race? Feminine. If you get it right. Yeah.
You know, the photosynthesis and chlorophyll mixed together give high blood pressure. If you mix high blood pressure together, you have high blood pressure. Because if you mix the analgesics of everything, Imperial Majesty King Selassie the first, Jah Rastafari. Oh, see your zero, me did take out there, so.
No, man, you can't keep it.
You charge it?
You can't keep it.
I don't like my tongue long, hold him.
You can't keep it, man.
No, I don't want it for sure.
Boy.
Rose, you have Rose in there, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm a man that's always prepared, you know? For everything.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're good with the answer? You got?
I'll never get the answer now.
So you don't know the answer then?
She take me up on a walk around.
Yes. All right, we're going to move on and come back here. All right, go. Your name?
Oh my word, boss, I talk to you.
You might ask you a question. What's your question?
You know, I feel like if you have a golden spoon in your mouth.
No, I don't know. Never get one of that.
Hmm?
Never get a golden spoon before, so I don't know how it feel.
Okay,
That's it?
that's it.
Okay, all right. So we're going to flip it back around. You're going to get a chance for asking my question.
Sometimes confuse my brain, like this
This family now shape.
no, but in this bubbleated. Like sometimes I really know what my child say to me. But why I keep my balloon this long? I just like go on here so.
Yeah.
And pants front, him look like him can angle this, mad up this, angle this, mad up this. But I just give him just a piece when I want. Cause my sister have a woman already. Just like you want, but him have a good thing. They say like him can deal with the thing proper. So for him come here, so roll up. For him come here, and then my eye just done this so. Trust me. I'm not busy walk come out and mouth. I just start to go on this so. Really, make me think I jump. Huh? Make this up my jump. I jump like a bullfrog. So I'm not just want for this, just like that way, map.
All right, cool. So that you never have a question for him. What you have to say?
Thank you. History will remember.
Okay, all right. What do you think about what she say?
She say a lot of things, and only one thing me hear.
Anger that, bad up that. That?
But I'm a pastor.
Okay.
Married.
All
You
right.
know?
Come down to the side.
My wife. I know. Africa is watching.
Why you pop your balloon right now?
Okay, so at first I did not pop the balloon because I like to be competitive, and my mother don't want cows. $1,000 for buy a cigarette and she good. So I wanted to show Emmy that I could take her man. And I did take her man, and now I'm refusing and leaving at the altar.
Legendary.
Oh, what? All right. Come to this side, my G. More find out, right? Is there any more question you want to ask her, though?
No.
No? Do you want to ask him any questions, though?
No, I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, so can I ask a question then? Yeah. Okay. This shall be legendary. Okay. All right, so.
Oh, wait. Could I pop the balloon?
When I ask you the question, you can.
So I can pop it now?
When I ask you this question.
You just asked a question a while ago.
Now I ask the question now.
No, we pop it.
I don't know.
Us.
Can't style.
Huh?
Can't style.
Okay.
Oh, that's a wrap.
No, Prince.
Oh.
No, Prince. No. I wanted to find out, like.
Oh, you didn't want to go like that?
Yes. Can I not?
I get tired very easily.
Okay. All right, so I want to find out, like, why you pop your balloon? Because he.
He might try style me roller in a swag one.
Okay, because you feel like you might go pop your balloon.
Yeah, you can just ask to say if you can pop it.
All right, then. Why would you pop her balloon, though?
Africa is watching.
Okay. Africa is watching. Okay. How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Nice black skin girl, man. Would I give her a 5?
5. Good. How much did you rate it from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
Is he your type?
Yeah, I just him taking.
Okay. All right. Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace, man, please. No, Prince. No, Prince. Man, come on. Tell me now. No queen was in the lineup to bring in the palace?
Yeah, from the get-go, I didn't know say the queen never there.
So if we had the queen here, Flyer.
She will be though.
Okay, Flyer Arena and big up.
Big up, buddy.
Yes. All right, walk with grace, my G. Whoa, we have Prince Lando. Grace us with his presence.
Africa is watching.
Africa is watching.
Yeah.
Yes. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, this in here cool. Yo, this video is sponsored by Ice for Us, people. If you want any type of party ice, Ice for Us. For the restaurant of the kitchen, them you need your ice. Party promoter, you need your ice. Ice for Us. Link up here right now.
Ice,
you want some ice?
Yes,
what you do with it?
Me have a party, me have a pool party.
We put in an igloo. Bro, link to you. Ice for Us.
All right.
Yo. Number up on the screen, bro. Yeah, and them have free delivery.
Free delivery?
Right now. You can call them and get free. Right now, bro. Oh gosh. And them have the 100 back them. Big ice.
Big ice.
Party ice.
Party ice.
Jano. Link up to your people. I'm of the plug. Hear that? Ice for Us. Alright, remember, people, follow them TikTok. You see it? TikTokers, I appreciate you. If you not see the TikTokers where you recommend, it's because them are give me some artist price. And I don't know, I don't watch you ask them. So I can't, you know the money go. Please, and see the PayPal below. Full it up. You see it? Full it up our bags. Hear that? Live boss, big up for the visual. Member, main sponsor, Motor Source. First car, Motor Source. Second car, Motor Source. Very reliable. And them good. Mileage low. Bad. Clock. Let's go! Bring it. Alright, hold on. Wait until him reaches. Come to that side. Come to the side. Come to the side here. Come to the side here. Alright, sir. Introduce yourself.
Khaki Lion.
Alright. What type of person are you?
Personally?
Yeah.
That's me pretty cool. To lay back.
Alright. Yeah. And what's one of the hobbies? Like one of your favorite hobbies though, best hobbies?
Well, I really like fishing. And separate from fishing. I like to take like long drives like to the countryside.
Yeah.
Because I try to think about like not really say for buy land right now, but I want to move into the field of like real estate.
Okay. So you basically like nature and thing like that.
Yeah.
And what's your type when it comes down to a female though? Use the mic.
Personally, I like a woman where not really say dolly, but I like a girl who can put herself together. Because I really like me natural already. So personally, I want a woman who can come with something look different. Put a look of makeup or look of lashes or look at this or look at that. You know?
Oh, so you want she add the difference to you?
Yeah, I'm not really looking for a Rasta Empress like myself.
Okay, all right then. And tell me why you like your favorite first date though.
Favorite first date?
Yeah, like what's the best first date you'd bring a girl on?
Personally?
Yeah.
It has sound kind of corny, but you know, I really like fine dining because it has sound like most men want to fly out to man or whatever, but me like keep it real.
Fine dining?
Yeah, just find someone else who can have a conversation, you know? Yeah.
And what's a red flag for you when it comes down to a female?
And I'm not really having a red flag still, but if I really have a red flag, well, based on my personal experience, most women think them don't need a man. So if I'm going to be with a woman who don't think she don't need a man, personally, I feel like I don't really have nothing to do with her because me can't do nothing for her then.
Okay. So if you feel not needed, that's like a red flag. A girl who too boastful, say she independent.
Boastful, no man, she can't be boastful and independent, but based on my art, if you date most females, like in my experience, then I say, boy, I don't really want a relationship or want a man because man crosses her, them can do without a man.
Okay.
So if you already give me that from the initial conversation, then I don't really feel like we can go with it.
Okay. All right then. Show it out to social.
Khaki Lion, on TikTok and everything else.
All right then. So we got some pop. We can find out why them pop the balloon, all right?
All right, no problem.
Let's go down to that side.
All right.
Hold on. Right, sir. What's that? What, you want back a balloon?
Balloon. She put my balloon. I didn't say that like the man.
All right then. Give her a balloon. All right. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kiki, the reason why anything we're going to Ant's family can't go again. Done. It was in my Anna did there. In the Ant's family.
No, you can't.
Yes. Yes. Me say yeah, anything going to Ant's family. No. Yes.
No, all right. Personally, you can't.
What do you mean?
Me see that he mix and mingle with their family there, so me feel like anything go there so condemn.
That's a lie. All right, I can just explain to you what I'm capable of doing. So I was with Anna. It was a prank with Mika. We play one match with Mika, and she said she want to prank her mother. So me personally, no reason not wrong with doing like a 5-minute match. Not like what I have now. Me I never play multiple match. We not do no multiple
Them did
series.
good things
I just
go on
want
with them.
5-minute match
Good things. Me say everything.
Okay. So basically, I judge from what happened on the net.
They just mix with their family there. So
So him can't be friend with somebody?
and a friend them did there. So
Okay. All right. So that's the reason why you're
Me I
talking
never
about.
meet in a
Yeah.
person, I even talk on the phone.
me don't
so-
know how we sit on the media we work
No,
with.
you
You
can't
know.
answer that. You can't answer that. Still. Okay.
All right. How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
He's a nice man, you know, nice built body, you know. You look like my type, and you know when I'm out look clean at 10. Because a man mouth are first thing for me, you know. So
Thank
yeah,
you,
and
thank you.
yeah, right, 10.
Thanks.
I just trying go there so I just show off everything about him for me.
What do you think about what she said though?
Well, nothing personally. Well, everybody entitled to their own opinion. But the only thing that I say personally, you need to give people the opportunity for validate.
I'm not going to say no, but I want to see me I work with him.
Yeah, fair enough, fair enough.
How much did you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her like a 7. Yeah, because she look nice. I give her a 7.
All right. Let's go down to this side. Right here, sir. Yeah, right here. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Bad girl danger. One pound the balloon. Never date a Rasta man yet.
That's why you pop your balloon?
And mackerel, I pressure me and show me the man's shoes. So me I really like Air Force. Yeah, man, but I have no against Rasta. Rasta clean and look good. I just show me never date a Rasta man. Yeah. Me not really like Rasta man. I like when them ballin'. I'm like when them a grow them ear, I can cornrow it. I have no against it, baby. But I give you a 9.
Thank you.
Oh, him is a Rasta man, so you would date him because you never yet date a Rasta man?
Yeah.
And you know, thing for try?
Show me eat pork and them some of the pigtail and them some of the some I say, me date a Rasta man, him not gonna like them thing there. You understand?
You have a problem with that?
Well, she never asked if I have a problem.
See, ask him.
Personally, if you want to eat what art, I don't try to invoke my belief on people. So if you want to eat whatever you want to eat, like I say, I welcome diversity. So if you're different from me, then you feel more intrigued that way. Because I can learn why you do certain things, you know? So, yeah. No
All right.
problem.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, you know, she have on eyelashes and things, I give her a 9. Because, you know, like a man in eyelashes.
Is she your type?
Not really. My type is not really on the physical base, but would I date her and stuff? Yeah, mom can date her. She can carry out. She not look bad.
Roll like me, what change my mind.
you-
Rasta them.
Oh, you want back a balloon?
Auntie can eat back a balloon.
No, but me have to ask him. Me have to ask him.
No, I
Do
can't
you,
care about the balloon.
You want her? All right.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah, walk on. All right. Right here. Right here. You want... What happened to your balloon? She popping it.
She puppy.
Okay. Give her back a balloon. All right. Come to this side. Right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Who is Freckles or singular Freckles? He was okay, like what you described about dates and all, and you look nice.
Thanks.
And you seem to have a really nice, calm personality, which I dig. But I like manly men who don't do certain things like stoop to the level of pranks, regardless is with whom. I like a man who has certain standards that they wouldn't go below. And when I heard you say prank, when I heard you talk about Anna, and then you say a prank, it turned me off.
So you're not,
fair.
you're not like a prankster?
No. No.
But I'm not really a prankster, but fair enough, fair enough.
Oh, so yeah, you basically are saying like certain man where do certain things.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Is he your type though?
Based on his personality, yes, I think so.
How much should you rate him from 1 to...
He looks good. I would give him a 9.
No, not a 10?
Thanks.
Yes.
What do you think about her? How much should you rate her?
She look cool. That give her a 8. She not look bad. The only question that I really have, you see, you mentioned masculinity, right? I don't think being a prankster do a prank really differentiate a man from anything else masculine. But if I can just finish, if I don't mind, because I know I like if you listen to
Okay.
give information. So, me personally, but I welcome if we could have a conversation. That's the only difference with that change. So you can have your own opinion, you know, not a problem with that. But you can always give a person a chance, like I'm saying, give him a chance to really explain. So, yes.
No, and that's the thing, you know, because I gave you a chance. Because when she said it, I didn't pop my balloon. But when you said it was a prank, it's almost like I don't like men who stoop to a certain level. That was the most important thing. Like, you know.
But that fear that I'm a first prank and my last prank. That was really a prank, because like like a 5-minute match. Like one battle, I would just tell Ramadan, that was just it. It wasn't like a continuation of trick people.
Just that I would wish that you would see it as the red flag it was and say no. I would,
True.
Yes.
And for being honest with you, I actually did think back about it and so I shouldn't.
Good.
To be honest with you.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, she's cool. Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, so we're gonna go forward. Hold on. Your name or your pop your balloon?
The real Milky. I just do want to hear what my say. Am I right though?
Well, why you kept your balloon? Oh, because you want to hear him have to say.
Yeah.
Okay. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Could I get 1.8? Yeah.
What do you think about what she say? And how much would you rate her?
Fair enough. But like I'm always say, could always give people a chance to explain. But fair enough though. You know, I like the straightforwardness. My outfit, I like her outfit. All the ladies, them actually look very nice, to be honest with you. Yeah, never really. This is my first pop the balloon, and all the women them look nice. So, yeah.
All right. How much would you rate her?
Like girl, 1.8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right then. Females without a balloon, walk with grace. You miss. You get back your you have to stay. You're stressing me out.
Oh, she did pop. You want?
Yeah.
she
Wait,
pop.
stay. Yeah. This side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Z Daily. Well, I liked him at first because he looked like Adam and I could be his Eve. But I popped the balloon because it doesn't look like the kind of guy that get angry and would beat me up. And I like men that beat me up to show that they love and appreciate me. It doesn't look like the kind of guy that would beat me up.
You love what? Man for
Butter me blood.
you.
He doesn't look like that kind of guy.
Okay. That's so you still love. So you still love.
So I love the first moment I saw him walk come up here.
All right, fair enough.
I don't know. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give her a 7. I'll give her a 7. Come like the effort was something different, you know? So yeah.
I become an earner.
You have earner? Oh, I didn't even realize I wasn't looking at it from that standpoint. Just the outfit and the face. Me that look.
Okay.
I'm not talk about that.
Just a check.
Okay, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Rasta love. I give him a 10.
10? Yeah. All right, so it wasn't that much today? Or I could give someone?
If you decide to get abusive, you know where to find
Oh,
me.
no, I might think that. No.
All right, let's go. Right, so. Miss, you pop your balloon, you get back one, why you pop your balloon again?
Because madam said the other girl like she want to take him with some of those pop it and done. Can't tell the problem. The other girl with that talk to
Yeah, but girl, I got like people what you like.
he's for jealous. A Rasta nice. Look like him take care of woman. I think mama win some of those pop it and done. Come in a competition.
Yeah, but you already pop. All right, cool. Oh, all right. So you tell me why you pop your balloon and you tell me how much should I rate. All right. It wasn't that much walk with grace, yeah? It wasn't that much walk with grace.
What's that, my Rasta? Big up your big cocky.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My voice knows that, oh my word, Basata. And why my pop about him too tall for me. I'm here too taller than my one, so make me kind of get jealous. And him too easy going. Like him more for kind of rough up. No, come on, kind of rough me up. So I'm not really get that feeling from him. But him nice. Rasta clean, I'm mouth clean. No John, no mildew in my mouth. And him personality up. And him hygiene up. So I'm gonna give him a 9 out of 10 too. Like him I walk with something good in him pants.
Why you not look for the people them face?
No, I always reach them for some reason. I don't like too much woman I go want him to roll out. Too much woman I go want him. But him nice so.
All right, how much you there rate him, you say?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Thank you.
What do you think about what she say?
Well, she cool, but why no want man for beating up and be
No,
aggressive?
not beat me. Like
aggressive?
it like no, not aggressive either. Like anything I say I go work with. I mean I really like that. I'm like you can't
Not
say
necessarily, though, you know. All right, me tell you, personally, I feel like Jamaica get too strict when it come on to a woman and a man. It's like a woman feel like a man have to be a man by force. And I think a woman gonna naturally respect me if me easy go and I really listen to her. You know what I mean? Yeah,
oh.
because me grew up in a house where my mother and my father married. So I grew up in a wedlock and see my father certain things. My mother have a filthy mouth. She cuss and behave. My father always at school and compose. And then in a shot of nothing but assertiveness. But you have to know when and when for the certain things, you know?
yeah, and that very true. I never really see man like you with that.
Fair enough, fair enough.
That's something I tell you got it going on.
Thank you.
Yeah, I look like I can angle this, mad up this, angle this. But
Okay. Yes, I see it. All right then. Wasn't that much, right?
Yeah.
Wasn't that much there? Or good girls? All right. So we're here with 2 females. So I'm gonna ask them their names.
Yeah.
And you're gonna ask them questions. All right? Good.
Okay. Yeah.
Your name is?
My name is Milk on all social media platforms. Just type in Milk and you'll see the Gaza sign come up and my cute face.
Yes. What's her question?
Oh, what's your question? What is your ideal first date from a female standpoint? 'Cause you guys heard about mine, so I want to hear what yours that look like.
It depends on the vibe of the man, I think. I like adventurous stuff. I like vibes things. I like to drive to the country. I like to go to Rick's Cafe, jump off a Rick's Cafe. I like to go river rafting. I would, I like to be flown out too. Fly out, I love to travel. My next destination is Thailand, hoping, I can get to Thailand soon.
Yes.
All right, cool.
Good?
Cool. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I like that. All right. Your name?
Mackerel official.
Mackerel. A lot of times the balloon got popped, like them a try fight you.
Yeah, them did that bust the balloon them, I never me.
Okay, all right. What's your question?
How do you handle like the social media like backlash? Because people are gonna have negative things to say, positive things to say, but how you handle that on a day-to-day basis?
I mean, it's an opinionated world.
Fair enough.
People are free to voice their opinion. How I handle it is by blocking them out.
All right, fair enough.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, so Mackerel, you got a chance now for asking a question.
Where do you work?
Can't disclose that on the media.
Okay. What type of work?
Sales and marketing.
So it's a jacket and tie settings.
Yes.
Cute, like that.
That's it?
Okay.
Okay.
You ask one more?
You can ask one more.
Do you live under your mother's roof?
Oh no, sir. Live under my own roof.
Cute.
Yeah.
That's a plus. Yeah.
Okay, all right, good. Come to this side. All right, so you get a chance to ask him a question. 2 questions.
How is your relationship with your mother?
Madam, my best friend, what you mean?
Yeah?
Yeah. I look for her right now, too. She probably all watch right now. If they're live right now, she probably all watch right now.
Are you into zodiac signs? Do you think that if a person is a Scorpio, then they would have the same traits, characteristics? Are you into the zodiac? Because I'm really into zodiacs.
Well, good question. All right, put it that way here. I'm into the zodiac thing, but like, this are like hypothetically. Somebody probably do something bad to you and them say, oh, show me one Gemini, that's why I'm stay. So, so even though me will accept the whole notion of the zodiac sign of different personalities, it doesn't take away accountability for your actions for me. So yeah, I believe in the zodiac sign, but it's not going to always be a case where you can do certain things because you're a particular sign. So yeah.
How do you see the role of a woman?
If you want me to take care of her, like what you mean, you should have a woman of... You have had a role for a woman?
She ask you?
I don't know. I know I said, I grew up and say my father take care of my mother 100%. Something I know no other way but to take care
So
of.
to you, a woman must sit back and just be taken care of?
Not necessarily to sit back, more like just give me the respect that I have her under control so I can take care of everything. Since I get up and I use a brain cell, I wonder how the bill I go pay. One day I'm supposed to get sick tomorrow. We will take care of you. I don't want you to have no other word. Because really me supposed to do that for you.
Okay.
So yeah,
Good.
first. And that's why the initial statement I'm say, I don't really like a woman with stationary need nothing from a man. Because me want my woman to see me as the person they fear, but she can't rely upon, you know? Yeah.
Good? All right, so females, I'm going to ask you, are you guys keeping your balloon based on like the answers, question you asked? Are you keeping yours? Yes. Are you keeping yours?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it's back to you, my G. You're going to ask them individually a question so we can narrow it down, all right?
Okay.
Good, important.
Do you have a problem with fast driving?
Do I have a problem with fast driving? No, I like the adventure and I like the adrenaline. No, I don't have a problem with fast driving.
All right, fair enough.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. A question then. Okay. What's the question for her?
Personally, I'm a smoker and stuff. Many females don't like a man with smoke. From a hygienic standpoint, it don't really show up on me. Like, I can't really smell my mouth smell bad like grabber or weed. But I just want to know, you think you have a problem with a man that smoke? I don't smoke cigarettes, I smoke like, ganja.
Oh, let me see your teeth. Oh, I have no problem. That's not
No.
That's it?
Yeah, man.
All right, my G. So it's down to you right now because they're keeping their balloon. Can I get a pick from you? Do you have a pick? Pick? On a dash you? All right, my G. You have to squeeze it, yeah?
Someone have a pick between two of them?
Yeah, you have to pop one balloon. Pop one female balloon. Oh, you're fine it.
So we can't change the narrative.
Like what?
Like ask one more question.
For narrow it down?
Yeah.
All right, so is it if the person, like you're considering, kind of iffy, but that one person, one question for one of them.
Yeah.
So if you're iffy about that person, you gotta ask she that question.
Okay.
So one question you gotta ask, who it's gonna be?
I ask Mackerel.
All right, let's go.
All right, so my question is this. How private is your relationships?
private to the fact that I take my life to the grave. I take everything to the grave.
All right. She kind of hard showing. Can I borrow your pick? Sorry. I'm very sorry. I don't mean for this, but I have to pick between two.
Oh, don't move, Mill. Don't move. Yeah, sorry. All right. First of all, I want to know why you kept the balloon all along.
I just wanted to hear what he had to say, question by question, and just feel out his vibes a little bit longer. And he seems to be a cool, down-to-earth person. I had said that after my son's father, I wouldn't date another quote-unquote Rasta man, but he even had me having second thoughts.
Oh, you said earlier the radar, did it go? The frequency, you say when...
Oh, you mean the frequency? Yeah, I had a little on the meter, the frequency meter. Yeah.
Okay, all right then.
Yeah, man.
Well, why did you pop her balloon?
Personally, I just don't think that can handle me personally. I mean, like, I know you say like adventures and stuff. When I ask about the speeding, you kind of iffy. I want a female where intentional with what she wants. One thing for sure, I go drive fast, very fast. So that's why.
You have a fast car?
Yeah, that was a deal breaker for me.
All right.
Oh,
so I love the lady though. Yeah.
Okay, all right. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give her a 10. Yeah.
10.
I like her outfit.
What you like about her?
Everything, especially the outfit. You know? Yeah. But the second thing, show me are the light skin, she light skin. If I really go physical, I can some like something different from. Yeah.
Okay. All right. What do you think about him?
Fair enough.
What do you think about
I
him?
give him a 10 too.
10?
As well, yes.
Thank
Is
you.
he your type?
Yes, he is.
Thank you.
All right, it wasn't that much today. What could you guys someone up, please? Come down to the side, Michael. All right, so we have one-on-one right now, all right? So I want you to ask her question You're gonna ask him questions. So after him ask you the question and you answer, you ask him back one, all right? Until I say stop. Good? Let's start with you.
Okay.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I actually travel a lot, to be honest with you. Yeah. My question for you, sir. How old are you?
26 this year.
Sure.
What are what are your favorite positions?
In terms of what? Like work?
No, sir, not work, not to work,
Oh,
but
okay.
like in the bedroom. What are your favorite positions?
I can't talk about my bedroom on the internet. Like,
I mean, an idea.
idea.
I need to know what I am about to get into before I
Alright.
get into it.
Fear. All right. Me that's a missionary. I'm a very sensual. More can look in a woman's face. You know? I like when the lights they on. So yeah, me that's a missionary. As I can say, mama and papa. Yeah.
Looking at eye and them.
I have one more question. So, suppose I'm ready now to go to like, I want to go to Dubai, Singapore, stuff like them. Those. Are you able like to take me, buy me like a BMW, a X6? Are you able to meet those demands?
Demands?
Yes.
I don't want to sell any dream, to be honest with you. But what I can say, I'm always willing to try. Always willing to try.
Are you the type that works a bare minimum?
Oh, no. No, I don't.
Okay. You're not asking a question.
No, I want to ask her a question. When you say bare minimum, do you mean, do I work minimum wage?
Right.
Oh, no, I don't work minimum wage. If
Yeah.
I can be fair, for many people on TikTok are probably watching this, but don't know this about me. For my company, I'm the sales and marketing executive for the company. So my boss is the CEO herself. So yeah.
You're not asking a question.
So the question for you now,
yeah.
When was your last relationship and why it ended?
Maybe the kind of aren't compatible. I mean,
Okay. All right.
Okay, fair
Yeah.
enough.
All right. All right. So that's it. All right. So I'm going to ask my big one right now. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Is it too much for you?
He's intelligent, he's pretty decent, he seems respectful, and he seems to carry himself appropriate. Him can go on.
Is it how much for you?
Him can go on.
No, I'm asking, is it how much for you?
Him can.
Yes or no, Mackerel? Is it how much for you? Is it how much for you?
Yeah, him alright.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, then. Okay, first match. Okay. Oh, let's do this. All right. Is it how much for you, Maggie?
At first, I would have said yes, because I like to give people grace.
Yeah.
But because she took so long for answer, she seemed a bit hesitant. And as
So-
I said, I would have...
Smile a little.
So, is it how much for you?
I'm sorry, but me have to send no.
Pop. I forgot.
Pop. Yeah. One pop.
Take too long.
All right, so
Yeah.
first of all, I want to know how much you do rate from 1 to 10?
Him alright. Him can pass. I can give him a 9. Not do him.
Thank you.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
When I give her a 10, like I say, I like, lashes and the hair and everything. I go.
Oh, you like lashes and bag? So
Yeah,
you
I
can
like
buy
the little way, yeah.
Oh, so you can afford Birkins and the things them.
Not to brag, but yes.
Okay, all right. All right, so Mackerel, it wasn't a much walk with grace from her, please? My G.
Yeah.
Think you have it in the bag just now. Whoa. All right, then. So it wasn't a much?
try,
You know what you have to do?
Yeah.
Walk with grace, yeah? Big up.
Thank you, sir.
Big up here. All right. People, don't forget, Eyes for Us, Ask for Theo. tier of ice. Unlimited ice. A free delivery to you see it, people. So if you don't want any ice, him give a free delivery, you see it. Any restaurant, any kitchen, link up, tier. Ice for us. Chips. So remember, if you need a brand new phone, any type of phone, Chill Youth have it. You see me I say? What you say? One Link Mobile. When you hear One Link Mobile or One Link and a Trouble Link and it's Bartai Link, you see it? Just link up Chill Youth. Everything up on the screen. Connect him, call him. Want a brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max? Chill Youth. One Link Mobile. Let's go. This side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
He not even know Spanish. Him say hello. Introduce yourself.
Okay, I am Leo, but you can call me Pinky Loco Brother. Yeah.
Okay.
What else me fi say?
Yeah, like what type of girl do you like though?
Girl born as a girl and still is a girl.
Oh, you like girly girl?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's like a perfect first date for you bring a girl though?
Okay, so I have whole heap of option, but I only name few.
One.
Okay. Rooftop. That's the first one. Second one, the yard. Yeah, restaurant. Just order food and build a vibe and, you know, look at conversation.
All right.
Where?
Yeah. And what's like a red flag for you when you not like about a female?
Girl with teeth.
You know, like a
you
girl.
can thief me underpants and thief me mine, but don't thief nothing backside else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any thief?
Not the thieving thing.
All right, show to the social.
Yeah, where?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pinky Loco Brother.
Oh, you're Pinky. Liquor brother.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. But we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, all right?
Yeah.
All right, where you want to start? You want to start with down there?
Yeah, I feel like I want to start with down there.
All right, let's go. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
My university knows that, oh my word, boss attack here. And I'm a part of balloon.
Yeah.
Leo know Pinky Loco Brother but this time I can see Moby and Cho water name Collarbone and Secular. Him want some more Camille porridge. But I like him personality and I don't know when him serious.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
The man come out 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But oh God, who do that now? The man say good. I like him.
Okay. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
I mean, I swag that. Yeah.
I'm like him can angle this, mad up this, but him just want to look more wave. Like I like man, him look of flesh. I want me I want on him. I don't want to feel too much bone.
I you can spans me anal right now.
Yeah, but him look good.
Thanks.
What do you think about her?
Proper 10.
Proper
You
10?
see she look good?
Yeah.
Proper 10. What she say? Oh my what?
And how much did I get her? 10.
10.
Is she a type though?
To tell you the truth, no, but she done good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
No, sir, bad girl danger. I'm saying I like teeth. I remember my finger fearing. So I have to pop my balloon.
Oh, I say a thief a lot.
Oh.
I rob man.
What?
I rob man and go under the bed and hide. So I'm saying I like teeth, so I pop my balloon. Remember my finger fearing. That's the truth.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Give him 8 out of 10. Bad to bar. I'm ear carny. I'm like how the ear cute and girly. Pop smoke. And they chain drop on your neck right there so. Power. And the pants sit down for your football. You see the Air Force part now. It's round on the part of the white. I go well if the and I bring my show my beer yellow.
Because it's no new brand. I true, me agree with Touchy.
Right, that's so be good.
That me I deal with.
Right. What do you think about her
You
based
see
on
she
her?
come and roll it at backside. Timber wear, you know. Timber. Yes, look at the little purse. You see what that on that? A channel.
Channel?
Yeah.
Oh, you like a YouTube channel?
No, a bag. You see?
YouTube channel, Bad Girl Danger.
Channel.
Subscribe.
Oh, no. Yeah, says a channel like a YouTube channel?
No, baby, a channel.
Oh, Chanel. Oh, Chanel.
Yeah. And how much did I rate her, you say?
10.
10. Okay, yeah.
He pink. I feel.
Thanks, baby boy.
I feel. Come, baby boy.
That guy, I'm gonna bust my balloon from. You know say him nice.
Come to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One rocket cross the road, one rocket for the app, never two. But I really, I have to bust my balloon, can I factory default. I can't believe that right now.
Factory what?
Can't believe the factory default and the special needs them right now, really. I can't manage them something that's a struggle. So, me not like it, really. Me not like struggle, me not like that.
How much you do you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Them factory default, special needs, big man. You get them boy a pure zero. Not my time. Yeah, really, that's puppy.
How much has zero on my finger?
Zero, like no points.
Oh, yeah, really, him look all down, him look slow. Yeah, him look slow for true. I don't really want somebody to uplift me, not to bring me down. Really, him look slow.
Maybe I choose she attack.
Okay.
But only one way she couldn't find out still.
For there with you.
Yeah.
Hey, how much do you rate her from 1 to 10?
She get that 10, she come out in black and white. Yeah. Look how she look like neat and curvy. Look how her smile bright. Her ear well papa groom. Her foot them little, how size that? Baby size that's your shopping?
2.5.
See?
2.5.
Fax. F-A-X.
So that. Oh, so baby size cheaper.
Yeah. When I spend pan, I spend cheap. Right now I pick the section this.
You say it looks slow. I'm gonna chop the boy when you spend pan. Man, if you can't go to Dubai, you can't afford it. Move.
I choose Dubai, I will leap over my budget. For my budget, they don't so.
Is she a type?
To tell her the truth now, but she get 10 same way.
10.
Everybody good to get 10 out of 10.
Alright. Come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kiki,
She nervous.
I feel like I'm going to beat him.
You beat man?
I like my man, them mother than me, and you look too soft. They are physical than for me. You look soft. I'm going to roll him.
Bad man I like?
Yeah.
Oh, me not body though.
You look too crampy for
Only
me.
in my mind.
Okay. How much do you rate him from 1 to 10?
I don't even know.
What do you think of?
Soft.
Wait, no, I know my personality, I go do, I mean image.
No, you just have to rough and one gangster look. You're too soft. Me beat you and control you. I don't like that.
Alright, how much do you rate her?
10!
What you like about her?
You know, she come out in a green. Vote for. Even a man. She come out, man. She nice. Her smile nice and bright. Eh? And she even too high, you understand? Yeah.
Alright.
10.
Him too, sir.
Get rough and come back and have one gunman look like you're a murderer.
No, me not go download that the image of here now.
Alright, right this over there. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I pop my balloon because he walk like him more tighter than mine when I know him more not tighter than mine. And yeah.
Him walk like him all time.
Yeah, like so tight all walk. I really love it. I'm supposed to walk. So.
Do it back again, me see if I saw me walk. No, that's not me, that's somebody else. I know me that.
No, so because of that, I pop my balloon and you know my style already. I like prisoner look caveman man with a box, sorry. And yeah.
Okay. Alright. How much do you rate her from 1 to 10?
No, she get 10 same way. Me don't know whether beat her name, but I force me a seat, so me I keep 10. Eh? Beats. The beats.
Oh, sorry.
What you have?
Me have Ernie, but me not on a bees.
No, the beats.
What do you mean by that? Oh my God, Jim. Thanks.
If you hear this, me say me slow.
Okay. Is she a type?
Me look at you good. No, you try trick me.
Okay. All
Try
right.
trickster.
Alright, down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Milk. Just type in Milk and look for the Gaza sign and my cute face.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
Not my type, really. The man that attracts me has to have a quiet power. He's too much. He's too busy. He's too all over the place. Him too young for me. Just not my type. No, I don't feel no frequency.
Okay. How much did you rate him though?
He's put together. I rate him 5.5.
Okay. Alright, 5.5. How much would you rate her?
10 look on the chest. We buy it expensive. I have to go buy my woman
Catch
that
My
is-
Eye Boutique. She's located on TikTok. Hi, Catch.
Leo, me can show me up too.
Okay. All right. So it wasn't that much. Everybody without a balloon, or could give someone up, please?
That's too much?
Huh?
Too much?
Yeah. All right, so we got 2 female right now with them balloon. So what you gonna do? I'm gonna ask them like them name.
Mm-hmm.
And you gonna ask them one question, all right?
Yeah.
Good. Your name?
Freckles, or who is Freckles on TikTok?
Oh, I'm Leo. Yeah. So if you ask you a question now.
Yes, Leo.
So, well, you look good, though. If you got all the questions. What do you look for in a man?
Money, Leo, you know that.
Money?
Yeah.
I think you did
But
different.
I love the fact that you can make me laugh. You know, you have the little, how when we're broke, we shall be happy look. You know?
Facts. F-A-X.
All right, good. Yeah, come on to the side. Your name?
The real Milky.
All right. What's Milky question?
I say, "Hey, you pretty." Okay, what do you look for in a man?
Good personality. I'm kind-hearted, you know.
Listen to that.
Mm-hmm.
A good two that, you know. I want good two that.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, then. Leo.
Me?
All right, so you have to go pop 1 balloon.
You could have waited. Me focus and never. That be frighten me, so.
All right, let's go. Milky, why you keep the balloon all along and why you pop your balloon?
I'm just like listen to him. I know him funny, so yeah. And I don't want to go so far, so I just pop. Yeah.
All right, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, y'all.
How much you do rate it from 1 to 10?
10. Yeah.
I feel like somebody.
What do you think about our image? How much you do rate her?
10! You know, me never go see nobody in this. You understand? So me know say, yeah, she come out proper 10. You understand? 10 plus with an A.
Is she your type?
Kinda. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So it wasn't how much today? Or could grade someone up, please? All right, so we're down to 1 right now. You're gonna ask her 1 question, she's gonna ask you 1 question, and we're gonna see if it's a match, all right?
Yeah.
Freckles, you got a chance to ask him a question.
Outside of comedy, what are your plans? Like, what you plan to do for make money outside of, if you plan on doing something outside of the comedy thing that you do?
Okay, so me and my friend then come up with a nice little business. You understand? It just start, but it'll work. You understand? So we take time and build it up to the reach one level. Because right now we are thief goat, so we are trying to thief cow. You understand? So we take time level it up so we can test on donkey. You understand? Because juicy beef and beef and something. You understand? Remember, I say Melissa pass and whole heap of beef not too enough right now. So we are trying to get as much beef as we can get.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to, you know, and take time for business till they go sky high, we go overseas with it.
Me like it, it's a
You
plan.
like it?
Yeah.
See?
Question for her.
Okay. What do you plan on doing outside of TikTok?
You know, me just want 1 man to take care of me.
Alone? That alone?
Yeah.
Find one next reason to know now.
All right, remember you promised you gonna breed me up?
Yeah.
Me go stay with my have all of your baby them.
36
36.
is a match. Me like it.
All right.
The world 36.
All right.
Triplet first.
Let me ask my question, all right? Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
Father, may we make this be a match, Father, please. Is it a match for you?
Yes.
Is it a match for you?
Yes.
So we have a match? Yeah!
Guys, me get match. Big, you go proud of me. Big up.
All right. Walk with her. Yes, bro. Finally, bro. While ago, yo, I thought I lost it, bro. We have it. We finally have it. We're back, Joe. This section is sponsored by OneLink Mobile. If you're in need of an iPhone, any type of technology, One Link Mobile. Link them up on Facebook, Instagram.
Bro,
phone
outdated, bro.
You want to upgrade?
Extra snap.
Bro, One Link Mobile here. 17 Pro Max.
17?
Yeah.
17 G camera?
Yeah. All right. One Link Mobile, that's it. Anytime when you need a phone, One Link Mobile. Instagram, Facebook, real deal. All right. So people, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. From DM start, I'm go now hug because it's been hectic, okay? Remember, we are trying to speed up the thing. A lot of people out there and we're trying to get a banger. Make sure to leave a like. Vaughn, make sure you tell him to like the video. Big up Vaughn for edit the video. I'm not lie. He might go on good. Big him up in our chat. Is it? Let's go. Remember the sponsor for today, Motor Source. Yeah? Eyes for us. And chill you. That's it. One Link Mobile. But let's go. Come to this side. Come to this side. Right, yes, sir? Introduce yourself.
One Famous Swag TV. All platform.
Famous Swag.
Yeah, man. Famous Swag.
All right. Yeah. All right. What's your type, though? What type of girl do you like?
No personality. A female will believe in a God, believe in them man, and believe in themselves as well.
All right,
yeah.
Man. And what's a hobby?
Hobby?
Yeah, for you.
Just go out, buy clothes and just have fun. You understand?
Clothes and...
Clothes. Have fun.
Okay, all right. And what's a red flag when it comes down to a female?
A female when I really pay attention to them, man. You understand?
Yeah. Okay, all right. And give me like a perfect first date, though, for you to bring a girl on.
I'm an outside person, you know. Like, probably like... quad biking or, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That not sound bad. Shout out to social.
One Famous Swag TV, man. Fashion content.
All right. Got some pop. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. Start with right here, all right? Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Z Daily. I pop my balloon because, you know already, he's not a bad boy. I like bad boys. That's just it.
Oh, so if he was a bad boy, you would have kept your balloon?
Yes, and he also said that he like women that are very man-centered. And I'm very much man-centered, like my grandparents. But I don't like believing in man. Man lie and wicked.
Okay. How much should you rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 10.
Ooh. Famous Swag, what do you think about her based on her appearance? Her fit.
Her fit, I don't really like her fit still. Because I don't know, me is a fashion, you understand? And I don't like what I go on.
You're not a good boy. You're not a good boy, you're a bad boy.
Yeah.
But you just said he's not a bad boy.
You're a bad boy, I'm finished.
Oh my God.
Where are you going, Z? Far away from all.
Bro, them tickets. All right, let's go. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Kiki, we're not compatible because he likes party and I don't.
You like what?
Parties.
How much should you rate him from 1 to 10?
1.
1?
Yeah.
Why 1?
Him just the all over the place.
Or like him travel?
No, I mean the outfit. They all about the place.
Okay, all right then. What do you think about her? And what she say? What should you rate her?
Rolly, I don't like the slippers. I don't like her toe. Her toe don't look ugly. I don't know. Like,
No.
you see me? I feel like she could have do something better with her toe. I understand. She look alright. You see me?
Just her.
Yeah, just her toe and the slippers.
Okay. How much should you rate her though?
I have my heels.
Probably not get about probably 3.5.
3.5 mil?
Yeah, 3.5.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
It is okay. Everybody have their type. I know, and I just eat that.
Okay, all right, good.
Yeah.
Let's go. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One Mackerel cross the board, Mackerel official everywhere, all day, everyday period. One Mackerel on the app, never two.
Why you pop your balloon?
Well, let me tell you something. You see me? Me is a serious, progressive, ambitious woman. Me can't better boy, I'll be a close. You're crazy rolling, me a mad girl. Boy, I go Singapore and Thailand and Zimbabwe and them the place there. One boy say them I'll be a figure eat frog and lizard back and them things there. Not me party outdated and overrated. Rolling me a hot girl. One boy go see if him can sign 2 contract on a AC hotel. One boy see if him can go meet with the director for Pegasus. What kind of clothes? Rolling me mad. I'm not them foolish. Rolling me too elegant. But too nice for them look a careless lifestyle. Really, I'm mad of some look at tone bitch.
Oh, so basically him say him have a clothes, you're not really that.
Really, every girl can spend $100 per shit and get all heap of clothes. Me a top girl really more sign some contract. Make that be a hobby. Sign some real contract. You understand what I say? Meet up with all. You know them really, you know? Really, Kim Kardashian settings, me depend really.
Okay.
Some like Barack Obama settings.
Alright, what you think about what she say? How much you do you rate her?
I'm a krill, you know. Why I'm a krill? Why me I tell you? Me I tell you, my krill. Me I tell you, my krill. Me I tell you. You like clothes? What make it?
Cheap.
What make it then? What make it then?
No,
if you
the
like
thing
clothes?
is, right?
Yeah.
Clothes, any girl, I can wear this today, wash it and put it back tomorrow. Want some
You're not good at
contract.
that. Mackerel, you're not good at that.
Want
You're
contract.
not good at that.
I hear what me
You're
want
not
out
good
of
at that.
life now. Jet tour. Want some boy come and got some private jet settings. Me there for me love. Me there for
Alright.
clothes settings.
How much you rate her, Maji? How much you rate her?
Yo, me I give Mackerel a 6, man.
6. Alright, good. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Oh my word, boss on our platform. Oh my word.
How much you do? Why you pop your balloon?
Why am I pop my balloon? Because him a go overdo me, like outdo me. Him too much ice a drop off of him. Him a drip too much diamonds and him after them a roll up. Me tell you the truth. And it not go work.
Okay. You don't like when a man bring you up?
Yeah, but yeah, bring me up. Yeah, you overdo it. Leave me.
Oh, him a overdo it, leave you.
Roller must come in. Him hygiene up. A+, and him teeth them white. Yeah, so. But I just that alone, in just too
How
hard.
much you do you rate him from 1 to 10?
10 out of 10 in the cinema.
Alright, my G. How much you do you rate her?
I give, alright. Oh my word. Oh my.
word.
Alright. I like her drip. You understand?
I
give her probably a 6.5.
Alright, good?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One bad girl danger across the board. Come for the balloon, come and like come and talk about clothes, like say. Me talk about clothes, and me and the woman. Like you want outdo me, as well, all my words say. Me not tip me and a man for there, and you go outdo me, like you go outshine me. Me a bleach, you a bleach. Me a drip, you a drip.
No, eczema cream. Eczema cream.
Okay.
Yeah, but me not like the part where you come about clothes and sleep and re like it's
So you
all
don't
about
like, you don't like
clothes.
clothes? You don't like clothes?
Clothes are no. Clothes are no. Money my worship.
Okay, how much you do you rate him?
I'm give him a 10. Remember Uncle At. Uncle At and stay good. And I say, you know why too? I pop my balloon because I don't really like thick man. I like when them slim like me. And then when them thick so them choke me.
They don't like get choked? Why? Why don't like get choked?
But too look like when them look like me.
So I like teddy bear, man.
How much you do you rate her from?
You're gonna kill me. You're gonna choke me, strangle me, and tie me up.
How much you do you rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 8.5.
Good?
Yeah.
Decide. Milky, you right? Your name, why you pop your balloon?
The real Milky. But I just feel like my man no fear carry me off, and me fi carry off my man, you know. And I don't know. I'm alright doing it clean and everything. I'm nice, but I'm here to carry off my man. Sorry. Yeah.
How much you do you rate him?
Can't get a 10. Clean.
My G, what do you think about her appearance? How much you do you rate her?
She a wicked.
Why?
You know what I say? Me go get dressed for? Big woman thing. Me go beard off and spray up and put on my Sunday best, you know?
Okay, your ears are sugar there?
Yeah. Can't believe, really. Right now it hurt me so bad.
Oh, so you actually put on the effort for.
Roll it.
So when you hear the balloon, you say.
Roll it. Watch a man. Watch.
But you keep our balloon first, you know. But when you hear it run.
Because she follow them.
No, I don't follow people.
You understand? You see how long she keep her balloon for rolling? You see how long?
I want to see everything.
She listen to them and I make them get.
But you never come simple and, you overdo it.
Yeah, all right, I'm telling you. I always try to put myself together anywhere I go. So once me there in my yard, I wear anything. But so once me go out,
that.
Why?
No, me can't.
All right, suppose me then I want like $100 slippers, I want little tear up shorts, I want little.
All right, between me and you, look how you look and look how me look. Who look more simple?
You.
All right, and if you look simple, and my man look simple.
Simple the best.
You know.
Simple the best.
How much you do rate her, bro? How much you do rate her?
Yo, 10 me I give mama.
10. And she's your type.
She's my type.
Wow.
They like mackerel too, but.
You like me, I like me.
Okay.
I'm just shoot my shot.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Milk. On Milk on social media, all social media platforms. I pop my balloon because he's not my type, really. He's not my type. I want my man tall. I want climb up on my man his eat. I like climb tree. I come from country. I need a man with much taller than me. You understand me? He's not my type. And I like the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
Me and
him too much of the same color. You understand?
Must you name milk? I mean, must you name milk? I'm a coffee. Now you talk about.
No, sir.
Oh, you a coffee.
Third reason.
Yeah.
Third reason. And me must bling out more than my man.
But you not bling out more than me. Milk, come on. Really?
No, I'm just talking about in real life, in general. I mean, not just today. So street strikes, you're out. But him nice though. He's well spoken. Him know what him want. You understand? Mm-hmm. So him can get a 9 from.
Oh, 9 out of 10? Yeah. What do you think about her? How much you do rate her?
He has that big dick energy, you know?
Legendary.
Thank you.
You understand? Yeah, man. Milk, I'm not going to tell a lie. I'm glad for people like you. You understand what I say?
Thank
you. Yeah, from them time that till now. You understand? Roll, you know what
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
How much you do rate her?
All right. Me give me a 10, man. Oh, God. Look how she come out. Talk it short, man. I'm a love a big woman, them too, you know.
Thank you.
You understand? Because them know if you take care of man. You understand what I say?
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, then. So it wasn't that much today. Everybody without a balloon, walk with Grace Woman, please. John, no swag.
Go one, brother.
So you get dressed for the... And you run go, man.
Bro, I tell you. Yo, I tell you, say, roll him, run.
John, no, bro. All right, it wasn't that much today. No way you have to do? Walk with Grace.
All right, roll it. Big up.
Yeah, but G. Swag.
That is it.
John, no. Close. Cha. Oh, don't forget, main sponsor for today, Motorsource. First car, Motorsource. Second car, Motorsource. Where are you going? Motorsource, all right? Want a brand new phone? iPhone 11, 15, 13, 17. One Link Mobile, you see it? One Link Mobile. I don't know nothing else than One Link Mobile, you see it? If you want some ice machine.
One Link Mobile really a real sponsor?
Yes.
Because my phone is very outdated.
Yeah? So what type of phone you want to upgrade to?
To the latest iPhone.
So you want an iPhone 17 Pro Max?
Not the Pro Max, but the iPhone 17.
Okay, you want that? One Link Mobile. All right, just link them up. I'm going to link you up, all right? This need for change, Milk.
Please, hot girl can't have broke phone.
All right, then, no. Yo, One Link. Connect. Yeah? Oh, gosh. One Link. Yeah, man. Milk, I can get it. You see it, man? Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, so I'm not lie. I'm gonna go in a hug. And it's the last male of 14. I'm gonna leave the best for last for Ogoni. You see it? Let's go. I miss you. Hi, my name is Rolly. Nice to meet you. Big up. Alright, let's go. Come to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself. Right, sir.
One Jamie Badness on the TikTok, one Jamie Badness on the Instagram. one Sheena badness for the youth, you know.
Alright, my G. What's your type though when it comes down to a female?
No, I don't really have a type though, friend. I have ambition we work with it.
Alright. And when it comes down to first date though, what's a perfect first date you'd bring a girl on?
Well, I just invite them over to KFC.
KFC. Invite them over to KFC or bring them to KFC?
Bring them to KFC.
Okay. Alright. Order what? Where you the order?
Anything they wish to eat.
Oh, so you'd pay for it?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, good. And what's a red flag when it comes down to a female? What you don't like?
I like shit up body girl them.
Oh, you gonna know that?
If somebody ain't get a white body front to you, you know that. Remember, we a man we love you, tongue in us, so. Girl them have to clean.
Oh, you a man with, oh, okay. Okay, so, whoa, Mike, okay. Got some pop? We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Shout out to social.
You know, one Jamie Badness on TikTok, one Jamie Badness on Instagram, you know.
All right, so we got some pop, so we're gonna start with that side, all right?
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Oh my word, boss on all platforms. I'm put the balloon on Jamie. Him calf them too big, like him. Rolo, him gonna make it possible for me and everybody. Jamie look like him wild, like him full of woman. And that's basically that's why.
Oh, and the calf, like you want.
Calf too much.
Oh, you're a foot type of person.
No, not a foot. It never so it too big. Like him body not done. Like him I got big, you know. Like him I got thick. Him not done. You know, and I'm real body this, you know.
Him not done grow?
No, and I not like him not done grow. Him I got full out. So it start on him calf. Him calf too big. And
Okay.
him like him have too much woman.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10.
All right.
Swag up. Oh my word. Jamie look like him make me say, oh my word. And the rest of woman them say too. I'm gonna like share my man.
Yeah.
So.
You alone want to say, oh my word.
Yeah, me alone say, oh my word. That's me alone. But that's all. But the man think tough.
All right. Then. What do you think about what she say? How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
She have a little resemblance Sheena and her mentality act like Sheena, so.
Rolla, you know somebody diss me?
That give her a 5
You might
still.
diss me.
What do you mean, Sheena?
Sheena, I know if you don't see Sheena, you need to go up on TikTok. Sheena, oh God, man. If someone compare me with Sheena, that is an insult.
Sheena mentality, I see him where Sheena
It's
would
not-
have behave.
all right,
Sheena
Rolla.
behave like normal.
Rolla, it's not a compliment he might give me, it's an insult. I take by the 10 too. I take by the 10.
Oh, you say, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
That give her around 6 still.
All right. Good.
Give me 60.
This side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One bad girl there Japan app no go around that 4 corner. I'm put my balloon. Just put the balloon. Cause me not bring him down. The girl them same calf tough. But that's so it go. For that's a ball and them look so the calf up a tough. Calf can't soft. I'm give him 8 out of 10.
Is he your type?
He's my type, but I don't like him.
Why?
I'm married already. Him can't bother with the married man. Them a judgment.
You married?
Glasses. Man have him
No,
woman.
she at that bone.
Man have him woman. See man woman over there, so focus.
What do you think about what she say?
You think she want a girl them wipe her body front way too, you know?
Then have wipe it front way, could wipe it back way. I respond anyway to for wipe. Even I might have an argument down. Him have tough. I'm gonna like him Air Force.
Me no know if you rate her.
I don't like him Air Force. I don't know if you rate him. I give him 6 out of 10. Simple an argument done.
My G. Everything good?
Me no know if you rate her, really.
All right.
Next.
All right, come in.
Somebody else.
Your name, why you poppy? Your balloon?
Really, I want my for the up and the things them right because never one, never two, I just one, never two. Really, I tell you, I gotta write the truth. No boy. Can't bring me got KFC. And I see when I'm hungry, really. I think when I'm the lowest, no boy can't bring me got. Really, I must be mad. Somebody boy, I have to got glorious and ocean. And the thing, them boy, I have to go up there, up 5-star restaurant. This boy, I have to go eat 5 course meal. Crazy, really, I can't give myself got KFC on a regular day. Yeah, best socks then. Really, me not tell you that. It's giving. Let me tell you, it's giving poor. Like a poor mentality type of something, really. That's what it's giving. Me too sleek for that. You understand? Me too savage.
So what you have to say about what you must say about wipe from the back and tongue and whatever?
Tongue? Really, me never hear the part there. Repeat.
No, we use the tongue often, man. And with tongue, make we have more while now.
So like you don't make your tongue, my teeth out, where you try some.
No, mackerel more eat something
Me
like
never
a
try it
mackerel.
yet, but we try it now. Give me a balloon. I never hear about the tongue part. I
Yeah.
You never know someone tongue specialist I got beer today.
No, you really make a balloon.
You want back up?
Yeah, really. At the KFC part, me like.
Hold on. Me have to find out. My G, it's up to you if you want to get back a balloon.
Yeah, man, get back on balloon.
Alright, cool. Get back a
Try
balloon. So you are asked as well? Are you good? It's up to you if you want back, she get back a balloon.
Get a balloon.
Get back a balloon. Come to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One more march on the app. Beer problem. One, him just have a newborn. 2, him not seems righted. 3, hold on there. 3, me like man on him. And if me money him could come public with that, so that is a big turn off. That your bedroom supposed to be private, so you're not ready for you yet. You're nasty, and from once you one pay, you will eat a lot.
How much do you rate him though?
Not at all. He nasty. From eat.
My G, how much do you rate her from 1 to 10?
Ever see green lizard in a stirruple tree? That's how she look.
In a business. Thank you. What else?
Would I give her a tree still?
Sure, that 10?
Thanks.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
The real Milky. Pop my balloon got Jamie and my little friend, you know? Yeah, when I see Jamie, some see him as my little friend. Yeah, we play a match and so.
How much do you rate him?
10 man, I'm a friend. Cool. Yeah.
What do you think about her, my G? How much do you rate her?
No, she cool though, she good and my little friend though, so I just give her a 10 still.
10. Good? Listen, my G. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Z Daily. I'm a Bookie friend, and Bookie is a very bad boy, and I'm very jealous. So I can't, because I'm a Bookie and binds a friend them. I know everybody knows say Bookie I'm a man, and me see woman over there, so I give my little eye. And me will grab you. Me see woman, I give my little eye over there. So if you avoid the problem, me just make him stick to him woman over there. So.
You bring your woman come to the show?
Yeah.
I don't know what she talk about.
So she say it, and you say it. So you just see.
No, you say you see it. So no.
Because she look for me, I see her look for me over there, so.
Alright, so how much you do rate him from 1 to 10?
I'm alright, him can get a 7. He's okay.
What do you think about what she said?
Little bang belly, that's a problem now, so.
No, something that I have. Erna.
I give her back a 7 still.
Say what I think?
Thanks.
Alright. Listen, my G. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Milk. On all social media platforms, just type in Milk, look for the Gaza sign, and this cute face. I pop my balloon. Well, initially, when him walk in, I say, yeah, him tall, him have body. I don't business what them say about him calf. That mean him strong if him have strong calf. I say, but this boy can lift me up, man. But then him go say KFC. Him never put no thought into this first date, and my milk curdle easier, man, roll it, so go with grace.
How much would you rate him?
7.5.
What do you think about what she say? And how much would you rate her?
Well, I guess Milky and my mother good I see me, so. Milk, sorry, so. We usually watch Milk in a show. You usually act show?
Yeah.
Usually I watch her in a show, me good. We are calling now. She cool still, but.
Alright.
I don't think me
Like
and your
you're
mother are
8.
the same age, though.
8.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right then. All right. So except the two that pop, females without a balloon, Orchid Grace, Mackerel stay. You pink ear. Yeah. Come to the side. So you just ask back for your balloon. Why you pop your balloon?
It's too high.
No, Mackerel. Why? Why you pop your balloon back again?
Me not tell you that my spirit just never bother. My spirit never bother want to go the song.
So why you ask for your balloon back?
The tongue, me I wonder if him lick it to the back and him lick the back and it's just that tribe. It that pose me one way and it never that sit well and my brain never that focus at the time.
Oh, so that just get a you like you never that thing.
Yeah, me never like me about the tongue, you know, but you know me I wonder how him practice it. But then me not know really. My spirit not sit well.
All right then. All right then. So how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Don't get me wrong, you know, him look okay, like, you know, okay, like that okay. Like, he want 8.
8?
Yeah, not bad.
All right. What do you think about her? And what you think about when she take back the balloon and then after she pop it, like?
Well, every week Mackerel come on, Mackerel now find herself a man she need. Now is the time she get a right eater. Well, I eat from box, so me think I right time now. If she just give me a chance.
Just eat alone you want to eat?
Mackerel, I know me I save my now me just go and use my tongue for the time being.
So like you can, Lord Jesus, this look, but eating alone, why eating feel good sometimes, like you can go up a cloud 9 or
Yeah, my tongue bad and vibrates, I know so.
like you can make my legs tremble,
Mm-mm.
you can make my creep.
Thing.
All right, Mackerel. Your pop your balloon. Are you considering?
I do buy me one go, me no want tongue. Let me go on with Grace.
Oh, good grace. All right. So you ask back for your balloon and you pop it. Why you pop your balloon?
Why am I pop the balloon, him turn me off.
But you ask for your balloon, so that means him turn you.
Off.
No, but you did ask back for the balloon, so that means.
Him look like him gonna eat everybody. I'm
She
not
don't
like
know
the
what
man
she
them
want.
eat everybody.
She
No
confused.
more, but me never know say eat at first. That's why I will bust the balloon. But you go say I want eat a man. So I say I want back one next balloon. But when I get the next balloon, I say that eat down the whole away. The whole 9 away that eat down. This not gonna work. Or me gonna have my money, my eat
No,
she.
no, 8 people in a line. 8 people in a line.
Eat. Alright, uncle.
She not listen to me I say roll
You
it.
gonna eat me, she, and the old lady, the uncle. I'm not gonna work with that. Cause I'm
Yes.
not gonna work with the old lady and what's she name there.
I'm not sure if she would have been my wife roll so me
I'm
I
not
say
sure if you
more
gonna
that
be my
just use
husband, cause look, no baby, shh, me not done talk. Me not like your Air Force with a roll up there. I'm not like the socks there. Oh, but so them style and I wear. And the pants are right there, so over your knee, man, I like that. You turn me off, baby.
All right. then. What you say, my G? Is she a type though?
Not necessarily. She don't look like Crotten Lizard.
Not like you, cause remember your Sheena. Remember, a mad people you like. Remember, a Sheena you like, mad people. A mad people you like. You wanna my type neither. Me a 0.
Name Sheena.
The mad girl we've ever been up. A Sheena you like. You wanna my type neither, uncle.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
A 0, my dear. 0.
not
No
a-
one nothing from you.
-0.
Okay.
I eat your socks, I eat your Air Force. That now wear. Come again. And them you wear, baby
You a
boy.
girl a favor Crotten Lizard.
Baby boy, check it.
Favor Crotten Lizard.
All right.
Shit.
All right. All right, my G. Yo, secured. Then it wasn't that much to them, my G. You know what you have to do? Walk with grace. Give me this. Yo, live. Yo, the man say, bro. Make sure leave a like. Yo, niggas be wildin', bro. Yo, when I lie, big up on yourself. Make sure to leave a like. Hopefully, I get my very first 100,000 likes. 300,000 there right there, so if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, rate the fit, no man. Live, you're not talking about the fit, bro. You're not talking about the fit. Live boss, I want to tell me I try to get people married, but they don't want to be in love. They want to tops and roses. They want to be wilding, bro. Yo, big up from a sponsor. Motor Source. Remember, if you want your very first car, second car, any car, Motor Source. You see it? 61 Dumbarton Avenue. You don't know. Connect them, you see it? And we have Chill Youth. One Link Mobile. Any upgrade you want, Chill Youth. One Link Mobile. And we have Ice for Us. Tier. Link tier if you want any ice. You don't have the ice deal them. Kitchen, bathroom, anything. If you want ice in your kitchen or bathroom, link up tier. You see me? Body about got in it like all the time. Live boss. We go then.
This banana chips for you.
No for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Eh. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Roll to 200K. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.